Hello everyone, I'm Renuka Hivanse. I have done my engineering in electronics and communication. Then I came to Jspiders, and I would say Jspider is the best, one of the best institute, because coming from the electronics and communication, I have to learn from the scratch. So the trainers over here and everyone like helped me a lot in learning from the scratch. And I have done Java full stack development course for the Spring, Hibernate, Core Java. I have learned very well because of these trainers like Shishira sir and Sai sir, Vivek sir. And for the project, they have completed for us the industrial level project, that is e-commerce project. So it would go from the back end and front end as well. I have completed by the Raju sir. He has taught very well concepts about that. And HRs are also very well. They help me a lot in getting requirements and everything. They have given me a lot. Even I failed in lot of interviews, but still they were adding me for the interviews.